It is one of the most representative traditional fermented foods in Korea. It is mainly made of cabbages, radishes, and various spices. The basic ingredients of kimchi are salted cabbages, chili powder, garlic, ginger, green onions, and salted anchovies, which are characterized by their combined flavor and aroma. Kimchi develops its flavor through the fermentation process, and its flavor and aroma vary depending on the fermentation period. Kimchi is not just a side dish, but it is also intimately connected to the Korean eating culture. The winter kimjang culture is a traditional event where family members gather to make large amounts of kimchi. It is also used as a base material for a variety of Korean dishes, including kimchi stew, kimchi fried rice, and kimchi pancakes. Gimbap is a traditional Korean snack and meal, which is made by rolling rice and various ingredients into a savory seaweed. Popularized since the early 20th century, gimbap was originally a snack for the aristocrats, but it has become a food favorite with everyone over time. Its main ingredients include rice, pickled radish, ham, eggs, and fresh vegetables. In Korea, gimbap is usually eaten during various events and picnics. Each ingredient goes well together and offers a unique taste and nutrition. The charm of gimbap lies in its variety. From traditional gimbap to tuna, cheese, and even kimchi, you can make new flavors of gimbap with various ingredients. This variety reflects Korea's regional and family characteristics. Sanjok is not just any skewered dish. It's a culinary journey into the depth and diversity of traditional Korean cuisine. Originating from ancient times, the name Sanjok reflects a practice among soldiers who skewered and grilled meat over open flames on the battlefield. Traditionally made with beef, pork, or chicken, each piece of meat is marinated in a special sauce before being threaded onto skewers and grilled to perfection. The allure of sanjok lies in its versatility. Not limited to meat, vegetables like mushrooms, onions, and bell peppers are also added, providing a colorful and nutritious ensemble. This variety ensures that sanjok is more than just a meat dish. It's a balanced meal that harmonizes different ingredients for a comprehensive taste experience. Japchae is a traditional Korean dish that was enjoyed by the royal family during the Joseon dynasty. The tasty dish is made with various vegetables, eggs, and sometimes meat, and is especially characterized by the use of glass noodles. The charm of japchae comes from its various ingredients. The glass noodles are made with sweet potato starch, which is good for your health, and various vegetables are rich in vitamins and minerals. It is seasoned with soy sauce, sugar, and sesame oil to create a deep and rich flavor that harmonizes tradition and modernity. Japchae is one of the representative dishes made on special days or holidays, and its meaning is a symbolic dish that goes beyond just delicious food to pray for family harmony and health.